This is how to set your clock and the date on your Kia Picanto. This is a 2018 model with the touchscreen display. There's the clock, the date's built in. So from wherever you are, the nav, the radio screen, press the setup button. You've got your multiple options, date and time. And then as you can see, everything's greyed out at the minute because we've got the GPS time and the daylight savings time on. Daylight savings is going to give us the hour, as you can see. And then GPS is going to just set it all and have done with it. So if you want to change it yourself manually, everything now, we've got all the buttons. I'll zoom in so you can see because it's a bit faded. So you can change the days, the months, the year, and obviously you can change the hour if you want to add a few minutes, take a few minutes off, and then press the map or radio or whichever button to get back to the main screen. If you want to do it through the GPS so you don't have to do anything ever again, press GPS, everything's back to where it should be, and that'll constantly update. If you've got the daylight savings time, it will add and remove the hour, and that's it. As long as that's ticked, it will save it. So then you can go back to your radio. That's saved. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.